so that you have, because you're going to work with it. The RJ45 is mainly used for the twisted pair cables. The BNC, which is the British Naval Connector, is used for your coaxial cables. And the LC, oh, I had plenty. So today we are going to be crimping together. These are the steps you need. The first thing you have to do is to unsheath the wire. I know most of us are used to doing like this and peeling wire. Please, not for this particular network one. Rufus, RUFUS. Now, okay, look at it. You take this guy, you put it on the wire this way, take it and spin it round. Now, when you spin it around, it gets to a point where it's free, and then you push it off. Easy. It's not hard though. Now, reduce interference. You see the twisting here? So for you to make your cable, you are going to go ahead and untwist the twisted pair. Untwist the twisted pair. And let us begin. Yes, you can use your crimping tool also. Some shit. No. Can everyone please look at the screen a little bit? I just want to make sure before I use the tester. Take note, when it connects, there's no light at that point, right? Is there a light showing at your system? No. No light, eh? Now, look at what happens when I finally put in the connection. Do you have a light there now? What's the color? Green. Green. It's trying to make a connection happen.